Okay, there's nothing nice about getting two colored face. Now when you have this kind of sunburn, red sunburn or dark sunburn on your face, or melasma on your face, definitely your face will be divided. You have pigmentary demarcation marks on your face. It will give you two type of face, two color of face. Here will be fair, here will be dark, here will be dark, here will be fair. Like that color combination, it doesn't make sense. In this video, I'm going to show you how to treat sunburn, right? Red or dark sunburn, and also melasma on the face, and not just to treat it, but treat it permanently. Now let me be showing you the product you'll be needing to treat your melasma from your face and completely, and your sunburn as well. Now this product I'm going to show you, these are the best brightening face creams that will actually help you to treat your sunburn and melasma, and also fix your damaged skin barrier, help with demarcation marks, even out your skin tone, and blend your skin. We all want to have a blended skin, right? And I'm here to help you with that. Now one thing you need to know, if your face is red, right, redness is easy to treat. It's just that most people, when they are treating it, they are always complicating the issues by using harsh product. That is why it's not going. But trust me, when you have redness, in less than 1 to 2 weeks, it will clear from your face. It even depends on the intensity, but no matter how the intensity is, it won't be exceeding 1 to 2 weeks to treat it. Now one thing you people fail to understand is that when you have sunburn, it's wound though. You're literally having wound on your skin, and depending on how the sunburn or redness or melasma has gone. Now some has gone deep into your tissues, some are just on the surface of your skin that can easily leave your skin, right? But any which way, this product is going to help you to target them, even though it's the surface one, whether it's the one that has gone deep into your tissues, this will actually target them. That's powerful face creams that can actually do that. And this particular face creams, they will not only clear your face, they will actually help to glow your skin and also give you an even complexion, glowing and soft, bright, sweet looking face. Yes. Now the first face cream I'll be showing you is this particular face cream. Now this is a face cream that is mainly made to help treat what melasma, sunburn, and any sort of demarcation marks you're having on your face. Now you see this particular face cream contains glutathione. It's from Pretty Skin. This is a 2x melas night cream. Now this is a night cream that you're going to use on your face to get rid of melasma and sunburn on your face, demarcation marks. Now this particular face cream is very effective. Now this treatment has alpha-arbutin, tranexamic acid, also have glycolic acid that will help to exfoliate your skin. The tranexamic acid and alpha-arbutin will help to get rid of the pigments on your skin and also help to inhibit melanin on your skin. Now you see this product, they are quite mild, very effective, and work really well on the skin. And fast, you're going to get result in less than 2 to 3 weeks when you're using it. Like when something is going to work for you, even after the 3 days if you go down, they see results. It's not like it's going to clear from your face, but you go down, they see results. Okay, this product will really work for me, you know, and you feel it. And anytime you are treating sunburn and redness, you don't want to use any product that will irritate your skin or damage your skin barrier. You always want to treat sunburn as a wound. You always want to treat sunburn and redness especially as a wound on your face, because it's a wound, it's an injury on your face, and the skin is seeing it as an injury. So the moment you're treating that, you always want to work on your skin barrier and also use things that are very soothing that can calm your skin so that it will not produce more melanin. Because the more you're traumatizing your skin will vex, it could bring out more melanin, and it will just be like you are going in a cycle. Nothing will work for you. No matter what you are using at that point, it will not work because your barrier is damaged, and you're even injuring the skin more by also using harsh products to treat it. If you're using harsh soap, harsh face wash, harsh face creams, harsh scrubs, especially if you have redness, it will never go, to be honest. Now in this routine, now when using these face creams, one thing you want to prioritize is you want to use good and mild products. You see this simple micellar face wash. I think that face wash is underrated. When you're having issues like this, that's the face wash you want to be using. It's quite mild, very does do the job of washing your face without doing any without disrupting your skin barrier, and also allowing your skincare product to work effectively. Because the moment you disrupt your skin barrier when washing your skin, the face cream will not work. Most times the face cream will not work on your face again, because already you have destabilized your skin. The pH of your skin is not balanced. So when you're applying that face cream, it will not work, except you use a pH balanced toner that can actually help to calm your skin and receive the product you use. Now the second face cream I'll be showing you do the magic of clearing sunburn on your face, melasma, and also get rid of oil, and also get rid of any demarcation mark on your face and make your face even and supple. Is the advanced Korean face cream. Most people do not know that this face cream can actually help to get rid of sunburn on your face. This actually helps with redness as well. This also helps with demarcation mark and melasma on the face. You see this particular face cream, I love this face cream because it works effectively when it comes to sunburn, redness, demarcation marks, and also give you an even complexion, especially when you have melasma on the face, on your forehead, on your cheek, side of your face here. If you have any melasma around this place, this will actually help to get rid of it. It works effectively. How would this face cream work for that? This face cream contains turmeric, glutathione, alpha-luteincoic acid, urea, which is very good for your skin barrier. Is very good, and it's a very underrated skincare ingredient that is very good for skin barrier repair. It also deeply hydrates the skin and smoothen the texture, and also exfoliate your skin mildly. Now this product also contain azelaic acid, vitamin C, and also zinc, which is so good for skin barrier repair and also helps to stimulate collagen. Now azelaic acid is also good when it comes to soothing of the skin and redness. You see this particular face cream is a face cream that I can tell you for a certain that when you're using this face cream with consistency, you're going to get rid of sunburn on your face and dark spot. The only thing you can do for this face cream is that you can always add serums to it to make it like 2 times more effective than usual. There are 2 serums I will encourage you to use with this face cream to make it work very fast and effective in getting rid of sunburn and melasma. Is this tranexamic acid and niacinamide serum from APLB. This particular serum is very good when it comes to getting rid of sunburn and melasma on the face. This contains tranexamic acid. It's an ampoule and it works really well. Now another serum I will also encourage you to use with this particular face cream. Now you're going to use them like after using the serum, you apply your face cream basically. Now you can use this face cream in the morning or night. The only thing is that when you're using this face cream, make sure you're using your sunscreen if you're using it during the daytime. Now the next serum you can use with this face cream is this aqua serum, the 5.5. This is a very good serum when it comes to pigmentation, demarcation marks, and sunburn on your face, and also melasma. This will just go on your skin and pick that pigment on you. Now combining these two will give you an amazing result when it comes to getting rid of all demarcation marks on your face. Now this particular product contains licorice root extract, which is the major ingredient here, and also contain beta-glucan and also hydrolyzed collagen. Beta-glucan will help to soothe your skin, help with irritation, the redness, sensitivity, while the hydrolyzed collagen will also help to stimulate you. It will also help to stimulate your skin to produce collagen that can actually help to heal and also help to give you a renewed new skin cells. Now the third face cream I'll be showing you that can actually help to get rid of any demarcation marks on your face, sunburn, melasma, that can actually clear it from your skin permanently is the numbuzin vitamin glutathione dark spot laser cream. Now you see this particular cream, you are saying this particular face cream is very effective in getting rid of any marks on your face. Even scars, it can actually get rid of scars. If you're someone that have broken out before, you've had acne, it left you with acne marks and scars. Now you're seeing the laser there. That means it will rapidly help to clear any marks from your face and also help to smoothen and give you a clear, smooth texture and also give you a brighter looking complexion. Now this particular face cream, what makes it very effective in getting rid of demarcation marks on your face, dark spot, hyperpigmentation, sunburn, and melasma. This particular face cream contains liposoma, a form of glutathione that is very stable, that can actually help to penetrate your skin really deep than the usual glutathione, right? And also give you the result of clearing marks from your face. Any sort of mark, when I say any sort of mark, this also contains vitamin C that helps to stimulate collagen and also help with even skin tone and also help to brighten your skin. Glutathione also brightens marks really fast. Most people don't know that when you use glutathione on your skin daily, you can get rid of pigmentation. Most if you have age spot on your face that has refused to leave your skin, just incorporate glutathione and see the magic. One thing about glutathione, it doesn't just work as a pigmentation product, it's also an antioxidant. And when you're treating your skin of all of this, you need products that actually help to prevent free radicals from your face. And products that can actually help to prevent free radicals are antioxidants, and they can also help to protect your skin, makes it stronger for your skin to recover really fast. So incorporating glutathione in your daily routine actually helps to heal your skin and get rid of any kind of marks, scars you're having on your skin. The product also contains alpha-arbutin and niacinamide, which is very good. It also contains Centella asiatica that is very suited for the skin and redness on your face, and also help to heal your skin really fast. Because when you want to treat your skin, you have to treat the redness first, right? When the redness is out of your face, you don't have irritation on your face anymore, then we'll go ahead and treat the darkening of the face. Now aloe vera gel should be your go-to at every point if you want to treat redness from your face. Using aloe vera gel and this tomato should be like something, a stable thing in your routine. Treating redness, the first thing you want to go for is aloe vera gel. Now especially when it comes to red sunburn or red skin. Now when you're treating this with aloe vera gel, what do you want to achieve? You want to get rid of the redness, the irritation on your skin, so that when you're treating your sunburn, it will just go out from your skin sharp. Now using this aloe vera gel, you want to use it for like 1 to 2 weeks. Some people say 3 days the redness don't already leave your face. Do you understand? You don't really need to do too much. Now using this aloe vera gel on your face, the best way, I've showed you so many ways to use aloe vera gel on my page here, but if you are not familiar on how to use aloe vera gel, just scroll down and check my page. You'll see a video where I show a vivid example on how to get rid of sunburn using home remedy. That video actually, I showed the best way on how to use some as a face moisturizer in the morning, and your face sunscreen. Don't use it without sunscreen to darken your face, or use it before taking your bath. Now in less than 1-2 weeks, your redness has gone. The fourth face cream I'll be showing you, which is very affordable yet very effective, is this Cosmos face cream. Now this is their papaya and glutathione face cream. Papaya will gently exfoliate your skin because it's an enzyme that gently exfoliates your skin without irritation. Glutathione is an antioxidant. It's also a pigmentation product that actually helps with pigmentation on the skin, marks on your skin, demarcation marks, sunburn, melasma, name it. It also help to protect your skin and also help with sun damage. Most of this melasma, sunburn, as they are actually caused by either sunburn damage by not using sunscreen or using harsh face creams. Some can actually be caused by hormonal issue. Yes, some can be caused by drugs. Some by because by other factors, but these particular face creams, brightening face cream I just showed you, they will actually help to clear them and clear them permanently. Glow White Extra Brightening Face Cream is actually very safe, mild, effective and affordable. So it's one face cream you want to go for if you really want to clear your skin of any of these discoloration marks on your face. Now the fifth face cream I'll be showing you, which is the last face cream, is the APLB Retinol face cream. Now the APLB Retinol face cream, that face cream is very effective, right? That face cream, I can tell you for a very certain that it can actually help to get rid of melasma on the face, sunburn on the face and demarcation marks on the face. But one thing you need to know about this face cream is that when you're using it, because it's a retinol product, right? Now the product actually contains vitamin E, vitamin C, Centella asiatica also that actually help to prevent irritation on the skin. Vitamin E will also help to regenerate your skin to produce new cells. Retinol also help with cellular turnover, give you a new skin tissue, because what you're having is what a wound that your tissue there might be damaged, so that will actually help to renew your skin cells and also renew your skin tissues. Now when using retinol as a product, I will always encourage you to use things like this. This is alpha-arbutin by Skin by Serum. This is a serum that can actually help you with, also help to prevent more production of melanin. Now using that face cream, you should use it at night, right? Because it contains retinol in it, so you don't want to start using it in the day to interfere with the sun. So use that product in the night. Use your micellar face wash, simple face wash. You can go as mild as possible, right? Because you want your skin to heal, like you don't want it to come back again. So after using it, if you have a toner, use a toner to to suit your skin. You apply it on the skin. That is also a face cream and a face moisturizer. So you apply it on your skin. That is it. You don't need to do too much, do extra. So the only thing you need to do is in the morning, use your Skin by Serum. Now, one thing is that if your skin is not even super sensitive, you can actually use this with your retinol face cream in the night. You will get a very good result. Then in the morning, if you have vitamin C serum, use a you can use a vitamin C serum in the morning. Please use a potent vitamin C. You can actually use this in the night with your retinol face cream, or use your face cream in the night, then use this in the morning with your sunscreen. You're going to get the same effect and the same result. To use a very good sunscreen. This is an affordable sunscreen that is very, very good when it comes to what? Protecting your skin. Now, the worst mistake you can do is trying to bleach your sunburn away or melasma away. It will not go. It will keep coming back and it will be on your face forever. So that's not the best route to follow when trying to treat your sunburn, melasma, or demarcation marks on your face. If you're still here at this time, that means you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and